You ready?
Yeah, it's recording. Okay, wait, Jen. You have to tell them what we're doing. Alright, we're in the bathroom right now. See? The bathroom. And we don't want the other porch to collapse, so Jen, I tied this rope to Jen, and she's gonna go out the bathroom window and scrape it off. Right?
This not better be good.
Okay, don't fall.
Wow, it's not even icy right here.
There you go.
I'm just gonna... Oh, crap.
You got the shovel.
Yeah? Oh my god.
Ew, there's like dirt everywhere.
I can't really do anything right here. It's too...
Look at all the snow out here. Oh. Trying to get up here so I can film easier. That's the neighbor's window.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna get this off here.
You can get it.
Huh?
You got it.
It's too much. It's too far down. I'm not going down there.
You can get it. We got the rope.
I'm not.
Did you just fall? No. Keep working.
Isn't there a law against this?
This is actually good because I feel like crap right now, and this is taking my mind off of feeling like crap since I have bronchitis and sinusitis, according to the doctor. You're doing good. You can already see the
I
shingles.
don't think they want to see when you do this. I think I see it.
You're doing good. Hey.
Okay, you can shut that off. I don't think. Oh,
There's our bathroom. There's a
you can shut it
shower.
off.
Okay.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Then why are you holding it? I don't
Okay.
think people want to see me shovel.
Yeah, I feel like crap. I'm gonna shut off the video. Okay. See ya.